Hello guys, let's make some spicy pepper soup guys. This spicy pepper soup, we are going to be using tilapia fish to cook it just for one day. So I'm going to be using two tilapia fish. One has been sliced. I have to remove all the bone because I don't want to see bone inside. Like we have one already here sliced. Okay, so very easy and a small soup. I'm going to be using 1 bottle of tomatoes. So I'm adding 1 Maggi cube, 2 spoons of crayfish, blended crayfish, and I'm going to be adding my spicy. This is my pepper soup spicy. And the next thing I'm going to be adding is salt. So I'm going to be adding my water, tomatoes. I'm going to be adding pepper and cover it for some minutes. I'm going to cover it for just 2 minutes before I will add my fish. I'm not going to add it here because I don't want the fish to boil. So I'm going to be adding the fish 2 minutes time. Okay, now I want to add my tilapia fish. Guys, it's not all the time you have to be eating meat. So guys, I decided to eat just only fish today, guys. So let's click on our pepper soup. Guys, our pepper soup is almost ready. I'm going to be using starch to eat this pepper soup. Let's have a taste. The taste is giving, guys. So I'm going to be using starch. I'm about to make my starch now. There is my pot. Guys, our pepper soup is ready. I'm going to be removing it now. And I'm going to be making starch. Guys, this is the starch I'm going to be using. We call it tapioca milk. So I'm going to be having the powder with white. And it's very nice. It has been using it, guys. I have not changed to other starch. It's very good. Guys, I love having some salt inside my starch. And you have to add water. Put much water. And you will have also palm oil. That will become oil. And mix it together before it starts turning it. Okay? And make sure you mix it well as you are cooking. Okay guys, we already had it. And now you can start turning your starch. You will continue turning the starch up till the starch is thin. And when you see that your starch is very strong, you can add more water. So continue washing. Here is our starch. Look at the starch. Very smooth. Right? The starch is very smooth. Here is our starch, guys. Don't forget to share this video. See you for my next video. Bye.